Hey, it is your balloon bestie Karen Sawyer, and in this tutorial you're going to learn how to make the balloon sword, but I'm going to show you 3 easy ways. All right, let's get this party popping. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and start with a 260. We're going to go ahead and put it on our balloon pump, and you're going to inflate the balloon into its entirety, fully inflate. Then you're going to burp just a little to make it soft, okay? And then for this sword, you can do this version of the sword in 2 ways. You can either make the S twist, or if you want, you can just make 2 loops, but we're going to do the S. So you simply make an S, but consider the length, how long you want your handle. So I'm going to come up a little bit more so that I have a longer handle for the child to hold on to. Okay? So I'm going to make the letter S, and then I'm going to go midway, and I'm going to squeeze, or you could call it pinching, and twist. And there you have a real easy 1 balloon sword. Alright, so I want to go ahead and show you how to make the next one. If you're enjoying this tutorial, hit that like button. It does help my channel out a ton, and it is a super small free way to show your support. Thank you, and let's get back to the tutorial. Okay, so you're going to inflate your balloon to its entirety, okay? Now, this balloon is a metallic. I feel it getting tight, so I'm going to stop there because I don't want it to burst on me again. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to burp it here, and then I'm going to go ahead and move down a little so I have enough nozzle to tie, okay? And then I'm going to squeeze the air to the end because I want it really inflated as fully as possible, but I didn't want to pop it. Again, metallics, they get a little tight, okay? So that is one portion of the sword. Now you're going to take your 260 and you will inflate this to its entirety, completely inflate the balloon, and then you're going to burp it, meaning you're going to release a little bit of the air, okay? Then you're going to burp it, okay? If you're out entertaining the kids, for some reason, they find that hilarious. So you can play along with that if you're entertaining. So you're going to go ahead and fold your 260. I just squeezed it to get the air all the way to the end. So I'm folding it so I can figure out what the middle is. And I'm going to go ahead and wrap this around the sword. And I'm going to twist. Okay, just twist. That's all I'm doing. Just twisting the balloon. And then I'm going to make like a 1-inch bubble at the end. Okay, just like that. That's what you should have. Then you're going to take this between the 2 bubbles and you're going to twist it here. I'm going to make like a 1-inch bubble at the end of the sword, and then I'm going to twist all 3 of those bubbles together. And this becomes the handle, and they have a big sword. This is so cute with the really little kids because this sword is so big and people love to see things in biggie size. So that is your second sword. So stay tuned for the 3rd and final. Okay, so for the 3rd and final sword, so go ahead and inflate your 260. This is metallic, so it feels a little tight, so let's hope it doesn't pop on me. Inflate it, then burp it. Okay, to let the air out so it's not so tight and it's more pliable. So because I didn't inflate it all the way, I'm going to push some of this air that's in the top here to the bottom of this sword. Okay? Because there's not many twists on this balloon. Okay? So we're going to start by making a 1-inch bubble, pinch, and twist. Remember, always twist in the same direction. Always hold your first and your last bubble. So once I've done that, I'm going to make a little loop, okay, just like that. I'm going to pinch and twist that 1-inch bubble into that loop, and then I'm going to push it through the locket, okay? So you should have something that looks like this. Now, to make this clean, you can pinch twist this if you like. That's optional. You don't have to. So I'm going to pull on the nozzle and twist that bubble all at the same time. Now, you could start off with the pinch twist if you want. Again, it's optional, okay? So once you've done that, you have this. So then you're going to go ahead and take the sword, what's left of the sword here, and put it through your loop. Pull it all the way through, and that becomes your handle, and then there is your sword. Okay, so this next one, you're going to take a 350 or a 360 and a 260. So this is going to be a 2 balloon sword. So I'm going to go ahead and inflate my 350 to its entirety, completely inflate, okay? And then you're going to burp it. It's getting tight. All right, happy twisting, y'all. Thank you for watching.